Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can get DoorDash credits for free. So first up, you can do to get a credits. So if you're new in DoorDash, new users can often take advantage of sign-up bonuses. So these bonuses can include credits or discounts on your first few orders. So making sure to check the app or website for any current offers when you create an account. So if you want to create an account here on application, tap on your profile icon at the top right, and here just need to sign up using your email, Google, Facebook, or Apple account. So if you're going to look at the browser, you will find here $0 delivery fee on your first order when you sign up. So you can get some bonuses and credits when you sign up using your account. Now, the second way on how you can get credits is by the refer program. So one of the easiest way to basically get free credits is your DoorDash refer program. So share your unique refer link with friends and family, and when they actually sign up and complete their first order, you both earn credits. So it's a win-win situation, so spread the word and start earning. The third way on how you can get free credits is by the promotions and coupons. So DoorDash often runs special promotions and offers that can earn you free credits or discounts. So just make sure to regularly check the promo section of the app and subscribe to their email list for exclusive offers and updates. So this can include seasonal deals, holiday promotions, or some limited time discounts from your favorite restaurants. Now, another way to get free DoorDash credits is by using survey and rewards app like Swagbucks or Rakuten. These apps let you earn points for completing tasks, surveys, or shopping through their platform, and which can then be redeemed for DoorDash gift cards or credits. Now, other way here is by a loyalty program. So some restaurants in DoorDash have loyalty programs that reward frequent customers with points or credits. So check if your favorite restaurant offers any rewards program and make sure to take advantage of them to earn free meals or discounts over time. And that's all about it. So thank you for watching and see you on the next video.